Hello guys, the new Ulefone Armor Pad 3 Pro tablet appeared on the AliExpress and you can order it in from today. It's a robust device, resistant to water and dust in accordance with IP68, IP69 standards, and also supports the military MIL STD 810H certificate, which means it is resistant to shocks, fall, scratches, pressure and extremely high and low temperatures. The screen is large 10.36-inch IPS with a 2K resolution and it's additionally covered with the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protective glass. However, its real power is in the battery, which has a record capacity of insane 33,280 mAh. Otherwise, it supports fast charging up to 66 watts and well as reversible charging of up to 10 watts, so you can also use it as a power bank to charge all the devices. Ulefone Armor Pad 3 Pro is one of the very rare tablet device that has the HDMI video output. It's also equipped with two LED lights with the power of 1100 lumens, which can be of great use when camping. Of course, the camera has own LED flash, otherwise it runs on the MediaTek MT8788 processor with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal memory. The front camera is 32 megapixel, while the rear Samsung camera is 50 megapixel. Let's also mention that the two strong stereo speakers placed on the front so that the sound will be excellent. And there is also an exclusive sound kit that will connect it to other devices with an 8-pin connector. The speakers themselves are powerful as 114 decibels and have a headphone jack, side-mounted fingerprint reader, run on Android 13 OS and supports NFC, dual SIM, 4G LTE, Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi 5. As I already said, the official sales links are below this video. Hurry up and grab your new Armor Pad 3 Pro today for a low price while the promotion is still on. I hope to publish an Armor Pad 3 Pro review very soon. Until then, stay tuned.